Who's interested in finding out about the ultimate fried chicken sandwich? Do you want to know how to make the best fried chicken sandwich? So this is going to be a multi-layered sandwich. So let's start. The first thing I would do is brine my chicken. So one of my goals with this fried chicken sandwich is I love a fried chicken sandwich because I love the different tastes and I love the textures. But one problem is sometimes it's too, especially since the dental stuff I'm doing, I can't get my mouth around it. So I don't want to make it too crazy because sometimes, you know, you go into places and they have a big sandwich and you're like, wow, that sounds so good. And then you get to it and you're like, I'm going to have to deconstruct this thing to get it into my mouth, you know. So I don't want to do that. I'm trying to be conscious of that. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to pound this chicken. Pound it and brine it. So the sandwich will fit in my mouth. I am pounding the chicken. All right, now we'll do this. Now we'll do the tenderizing. Fling some salt in here, a little sugar. Little, I'm gonna put a little vinegar in. One of the things that I really like about this recipe that's in my head is that I do kind of an Asian slaw. There we go. And pretend I just put that all together. So that's what we're gonna do and season it up. Okay, so we're gonna use rice vinegar, and we've really been getting more and more into sesame oil. Soy sauce. We have got now an Asian slaw with a little bit of spice, some roasted peanuts with a little bit of spice. So it's going to be, for my dredge, I'm going to have flour, garlic powder, and paprika, granular stock. It has flavor, it has some umami, but at this point, again, I'm trying to get a little bit of a salty taste that you would have at home. So I'm going to put that in the batter as well. I am not doing it deep fried. It's a little bit of a shallow fry today. So we're going to take the chicken. We're going to put it in the egg. Okay, so I got my batter here, and then we'll see. Ooh, it's very hot. There we go. Okay, so it's a big piece. So what I do, and this is the same thing I do with steaks, and this is something that I've learned in restaurants, is I'm frying the outside, but I'm actually going to finish it in the oven. Okay, so I have a sauce that I'm going to make with this. Here's my quick little fun sauce for this. It's barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, and mustard. All right, let's start assembling our fabulous sauce here on the bottom. Let's get the chicken out. Okay, here, I'll use it like that. We're gonna put our Asian slaw on here. Now we're gonna have, so we have the Asian slaw. So we've got a lot of different flavors layered here. We've got sweet, we've got spicy, sesame oil, all kinds of stuff. Peanuts.
Spicy peanuts.
Roasted spicy peanuts, exactly. Some nice crunch. All right, so this is ultimate fried chicken sandwich that you can actually fit in your mouth. All right, so let's try it.